Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today I want to start this adventure with yet another famous yet beautiful quote. Your mind is everything, what you think you become. So guys, today I would like to take you on a hike at one of the hidden gems in Sydney's National Park with stunning views. Most people don't know about this spot, and someone asked me in the comments in one of my vlogs about this hidden gem, and I promised myself I would explore this hidden place one day. So here I don't want to spoil for you what lies ahead, so let's go on an adventure, and at the same time I would like to share with you another powerful message. What if I told you that the most powerful force shaping your life is something you carry with you every second? Your mind. There's a simple idea that's been repeated for centuries. What you think, you become. But most people hear it and don't really feel it. So let's slow this down. Every single day you're having thousands of thoughts, some loud, some quiet, some you don't even notice. And those thoughts, they're not just passing by, they're building your reality. If you constantly think, I'm not good enough, I can't do this, people won't listen to me, then guess what? Your actions will follow. Your confidence will shrink. Your opportunities will feel smaller. Not because the world changed, but because your mind did. Now, flip it. Imagine someone who thinks, I'll figure it out. I can grow. I'm capable of more. Same world, different mind. And suddenly, they try more. They risk more. They speak more. They become more. Your mind is like soil. Every thought you plant is a seed. Plant doubt, and you grow fear. Plant excuses, and you grow stagnation. But plant belief, and you grow action. Plant discipline, and you grow progress. The scary part, most people don't choose what they plant. They let negativity, comparison, and fear grow wild, like weeds scrolling all day, comparing their life to others, replaying past failures, and then they wonder, why do I feel stuck? Because your mind listens to everything you tell it, even as a joke. Even as a passing thought. Say something enough times, and it becomes a belief. And once it becomes a belief, it becomes your identity. And once it becomes your identity, it becomes your life. Let me tell you something important. You don't become what you want. You become what you believe. Famous American author Napoleon Hill said, you either control your mind or it controls you. You can want success all day, but if deep down you believe you're not worthy of it, you'll sabotage yourself. You'll hesitate. You'll overthink. You'll quit early. Not because you're weak, but because your mind is trying to stay consistent with what it believes is true. So the real question, what are you telling yourself every day? When you wake up, what's the first thought? When things go wrong, what's your inner voice saying? When no one's watching, what story are you repeating? Because that story is shaping your future. And here's the good news. You can change it. Not overnight, not perfectly, but intentionally. Start catching your thoughts. When your mind says, I can't do this, pause and replace it with, I'm learning how to do this. When your mind says, I always fail, pause and say, I'm getting better with every attempt. It sounds small, but this is how you take control. Because once you control your thoughts, you start to control your actions. And once you control your actions, you start to control your results. And over time, you build a new identity. A person who shows up, a person who believes, a person who grows. Your mind is everything. It can be your greatest weapon or your biggest enemy. It can trap you in fear or push you into purpose. It all depends on one thing, what you choose to think. As the legend says, you cannot have a positive life and a negative mind. So, from today, be careful with your thoughts. Protect them, guide them, train them, because your life is always listening, and whether you realize it or not, you are becoming everything you think. Guys, this is all I have to say for today. I hope you enjoyed the time with me, and I hope you will enjoy the rest of it too. Thanks for listening. I hope you have a blessed and a wonderful day ahead. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others if you enjoyed the video and liked my message. See you until next time.
So guys, at last, I found the stairs. It's going way further down, as you can see. Alright, you just have to watch your step, because the stairs here are a little, it's not properly built. Alright, what's here? Let's see, check it out. Guys, just try to watch your step here. Guys, so whenever you planning to come at this place, just always try to prepare yourself. And most importantly, just mind your step. Like, there's so many slippery places and slopes here. Alright. Here we are. Amazing, beautiful waterfall. You know, the feeling I'm having here is it's just amazing. Like, the feeling of contentment and peace. I just can't explain it. I feel like that I'm at peace here. Just so amazing. Wow. Alright, let's go further. Let's go further. Let's see what's here. Yeah, alright. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Beautiful. My God.
Look at these caves, see? Wow. Look at these caves. Amazing, isn't it? Just amazing. Wow. So nice. People actually wrote their names as well here. Yep, I can see the name here. Right, yeah. Can't read it properly. 3/2/2026. Right. Yeah, a few names here. Actually, people wrote it on the cave. Should I call it a cave or beautiful place? Alright, ladies and gentlemen. We going down? Alright, let's see. What's up? Alright. Just have to be careful. These steps. Just right here. Just right here. It's amazing. Beautiful place. And we just get down from here. Alright. Wow. Alright, let's go further. Let's see. We'll just move on. Alright. Let's check it out. Yeah, just watch your step. Just watch your step. Just right here. Alright. I'm thinking to go down, but I think